Okay, here comes my parcel from China. Let's do unboxing today. Let's see what is inside. My first parcel from China. Okay, let's see what is inside. I think this is okay, hold that box. Oh, here you go. My this is nice. Looks nice. This is for my bicycle. SPX. So with light, let's try turn it on. Oh, it's not working. Oh yeah. Yes, yeah, it's working. Yeah, nice. So that we're visible during at night. Satisfied customer. Oh, it's blinking. Another one. Oh, there's a lot of feature. Steady and oh yeah. Another one. Just like that. And okay, it's blinking. So how about if it's become low battery?